Let's move on to our stories. I know no yeah the camp of Links Entertainment signee Kidi. What's up? What's up? Yeah, that comes. That was girl them sugar, girl them diabetes, girl them honey, into honor and I hear come. Now Kidi says he's tired of answering questions about his taste for older women. Yes, he says he's tired of answering questions about his taste for older women because we know that Kidi time over hits me kanimuna or started or hit to hit no and interviews will be the kind of woman he likes and specs and her day, and then he's made mention of this quite a number of times or a couple of times there on a pay mama no to say you know more for papa no on a pay mama no into no okay but right there oko promoting him, he's going to talk about something important campus or interviews her right there they want to bring that up. His taste for older women, they want to bring it up into honest so no so this is what he is saying. Now Ghanaian high life and Afrobeat artist Kidi has expressed worry about the media's penchant for asking him jaded questions during his interviews. Now according to Kidi, since he said in an interview many years ago that he loves older women, a lot of media people still ask him that question. He says he's tired. He's tired. You don't tire that question. Into no also I wanna was sort of be service and them questioning now. Yeah, you all put a stop to it.